Have you ever wondered how to earn money online? If so, you're not alone. In this digitally driven era, the charm of online earning has captured the interest of many. As the world becomes more connected, the ways to earn money have evolved significantly. One such evolution is the rise of digital marketing, which has opened up a plethora of opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. Among the many platforms available, Adsterra stands out as a remarkable tool for monetizing websites and blogs. Imagine having a reliable source of income that works round the clock, even while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? Well, Adsterra makes this possible. It's a platform with immense potential, a key that can unlock a steady stream of online income for you. Intrigued yet? Good. Because we're about to delve deeper into this promising realm. Stay tuned as we reveal how to unlock this potential income stream. Before we delve into the steps, it's crucial to understand what Adsterra is. So what exactly is Adsterra? Simply put, it's a powerful ad network that serves as a bridge between advertisers and publishers. It's part of the larger digital marketing ecosystem, playing a pivotal role in connecting those who want to advertise their products or services, and those who have the platform to display these ads. Adsterra operates on the principle of programmatic advertising. This means that it uses automated systems and algorithms to buy and sell advertising space. This not only takes the hassle out of the process, but also ensures that the right ads are shown to the right audience at the right time, maximizing impact and efficiency. Now you might be wondering, how does this help me earn money online? Well, as a publisher, which is a fancy term for someone who owns a website or a blog, you can make money by displaying ads on your platform. When users visit your site and interact with these ads, whether by viewing them, clicking on them, or making a purchase, you earn revenue. This model is commonly referred to as pay-per-click or PPC advertising. But Adsterra is not just about PPC. It also offers other monetization models such as cost per action or CPA, where you earn money when a user completes a specific action like signing up for a newsletter or downloading an app, and cost per mile or CPM, where you earn based on the number of people who see the ads. Adsterra really shines in its flexibility. It caters to all types of publishers, whether you're running a small personal blog or a large news website. It has a wide range of ad formats, from traditional banner ads to more modern and engaging formats like video ads and native ads. This allows you to choose the types of ads that best fit your platform and audience. Now that we have a grasp of what Adsterra is, let's dive into how it works. So, how does this powerful tool work? Well, let's dive right in. Adsterra, at its core, is an advertising network. Think of it as a bridge connecting advertisers who want to promote their products or services, and publishers who have website space to offer. Now, where does the magic happen? It's in the way Adsterra displays these advertisements. When you, as a publisher, sign up for Adsterra, you're essentially granting it permission to use certain spaces on your website or blog for displaying ads. These spaces can be anywhere, in between your content, on the sides, or even at the very top of your website. Once you've set up your account and defined your ad spaces, Adsterra takes over. It uses a sophisticated algorithm to determine which ads to display on your website. This decision is based on a multitude of factors, including the relevance of the ad to your website's content, and the preferences and browsing history of your site's visitors. This ensures that the ads displayed are not only relevant, but also engaging to your audience. Now, onto the part you're probably most interested in. How does Adsterra generate income? The answer lies in two words: clicks and impressions. Every time a visitor on your website clicks on an ad, you earn a certain amount. This is known as cost per click or CPC. Similarly, you also earn based on the number of times an ad is viewed regardless of whether it's clicked or not. This is known as cost per impression or CPM. It's important to note that the revenue you earn is not fixed. It fluctuates based on factors such as the quality of your website's traffic, the number of clicks or impressions, and the type of ads displayed. The better your website's performance and the more engaging the ads, the higher your earnings. Understanding how Adsterra works is the first step towards earning money online, but how do you get started? Let's find out. Setting up Adsterra is the beginning of your online earning journey. First, you'll need to sign up for a Adsterra account. It's a straightforward process. Navigate to the Adsterra homepage and click on Sign Up. Fill in the necessary details, including your email address, password, and your website or blog's URL. After completing the form, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click on the link in the email to verify your account, and voila, you're in. Once your account is activated, it's time to select the right ad formats for your website or blog. Adsterra provides a variety of ad formats, so you can choose the ones that best fit your site's layout and content. There are banner ads, pop-under ads, direct link ads, and video ads, among others. Banner ads are a classic choice. They can be placed on any part of your site and come in various sizes. Pop-under ads, on the other hand, appear in a new browser window behind the current browser window. These ads are less intrusive, as they don't interrupt the user's browsing experience. Direct link ads are a unique type of ad format. Instead of displaying an ad, a direct link ad takes the user to the advertiser's website when clicked. This format is perfect if you want to keep your site clutter-free. Lastly, video ads are a great option if your site has video content. These ads can be inserted before, during, or after your video content, similar to how ads work on video streaming platforms. Remember, the key is to choose ad formats that complement your site without disrupting user experience. Think about your audience and what type of ads they would find most engaging and least intrusive. With good Adsterra setup, you're one step closer to earning money online, but how do you maximize your earnings? Maximizing your earnings with Adsterra is easier than you might think. Let's dive right into it. One of the most effective strategies for maximizing your earnings is optimizing ad placement. The best place for ads isn't the most visible spot, but the spot where users spend most of their time. This could be at the end of an article, next to the most popular content, or even within the content itself. Experiment with different placements to see what works best for your website or blog. Next up is using different ad formats. Adsterra offers a wide variety of ad formats, each with its own set of advantages. For instance, display ads are great for capturing users' attention, while text ads can blend seamlessly into your content. Video ads, on the other hand, can be highly engaging, leading to higher click-through rates. Mix and match these formats to find the perfect balance for your site. But what about the traffic coming to your website? Quality traffic is the lifeblood of any successful ad campaign. It's not just about getting people to your site, it's about getting the right people to your site. This requires a deep understanding of your target audience, their needs, their habits, their preferences. Use this knowledge to create content that attracts and retains this audience. The more quality traffic you drive to your site, the higher your potential earnings. Now let's talk about frequency. It's crucial to regularly update your site with fresh, relevant content. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also gives them a reason to visit your site regularly. And the more they visit, the more opportunities you have to show them ads, increasing your chances of earning revenue. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of mobile optimization. With more and more people accessing the web from their mobile devices, having a mobile-friendly site is no longer optional. If your site isn't optimized for mobile, you could be missing out on a significant portion of potential earnings. Implementing these strategies can significantly boost your online earnings, but remember, consistency is key. Let's recap what we've learned today. We started off by understanding what Adsterra is, a powerful online advertising platform that allows you to earn money through your digital content. We delved into how it works, exploring the mechanics behind the platform, from ad placement to click-through rates and revenue generation. Next, we walked through the process of setting up Adsterra. We highlighted the importance of creating a strong, relevant digital presence and optimizing your content to attract the right audience and advertisers. Then, we discussed strategies to maximize your earnings with Adsterra. We emphasized on the significance of continuous learning, analytics, and making data-driven decisions to improve your ads' performance and increase your revenue. With these steps, you're well on your way to earning money online with Adsterra. Remember, the internet is a gold mine, and Adsterra is your shovel. Start digging.